Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In this video, we are going to learn about how to create buy one get one promotion or buy two get one promotion on your Amazon product listings. First of all, log in your Amazon seller account. Now click on these three lines. Now click on advertising, then click on promotions. Here you can see there are two types of promotions to create. One is percentage of promotion and the other one is buy one get one promotion. Today we are learning about buy one get one promotion. In next video we will learn about percentage of promotion. Okay, now click on create. Now the first step is to select conditions for your promotion. In buyer purchases, you have to choose the conditions the buyer must fulfill to qualify for the promotion, like at least the amount of item, mention the amount here, or at least this quantity of items, or for every quantity of items purchased. Select one of these according to your wish, like I am selecting at least this quantity of items. And how much quantity, whether it is 1, 2 or 3 quantity. So in my case, when buyer purchases at least 2 quantity will get free item, purchased items. Now you have to select the listings on which you want to create promotion. You can select listings ASN wise, SKU wise, or you can select entire catalog. I am selecting ASN wise, so I am writing ASIN numbers here. You can copy paste multiple ASIN numbers according to your wish. Now buyer gets free item, applies to purchased items. Now set your budget. Up to what amount do you want promotion to run? Now buyer will get how much quantity when he or she purchases 2 items. So buyer will get 1 quantity on the purchase of 2 items. Okay, so buyer will get one quantity on the purchase of 2 items. Now scheduling. Select the start date and time. Now select the end date with the time. Promotion title. You can write anything in promotion title, like limited offer, limited time period offer, Brothers Days offer, Mother's Day offer, Father's Day offer, etc. Leave this as it is. Additional options. So do you want buyers to use claim code to take advantage of promotion? If yes, then choose single use or select none, just like me. Now click on review. Confirm the details of your promotion. And click on submit. So your promotion is created. Thank you.